Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are all fine and you have studied yesterday's topics. Now we'll move further. I've introduced some topics of this chapter, so we'll revise them again today. Now there is a small activity. You can see that here you have to take 3 beakers and fill them with water. First one with cold water, second here with warm water, and then here mixture of both cold and warm water. Okay, so but first put one hand in the cold one, another hand in the warm water. Okay, and keep them immersed in water for 2-3 minutes. Then remove both the hands and put them simultaneously in this mixture. Okay, so what do you observe? So does both of your hands feel equally hot or cold in this mixture or not? By that you will be able to answer my next question. Okay, so can we rely on our sense of touch to decide whether an object is hot or cold? So your one hand which was in cold water would feel that the mixture is warmer, and the other hand which was in hot or warm water would feel that the mixture of both the water is cooler, isn't it? So therefore we cannot decide only by touching that whether an object is warm or cold. So therefore we have to measure the hotness of an object, and this measure is known as temperature. So how can we define temperature? So it is a reliable measure of hotness of an object, right? And temperature is measured using a device which is called a thermometer. Thermometer is used to measure temperature of an object. You might have seen this type of thermometer. Measuring temperature. So there are two types of thermometer. One is known as a clinical thermometer and one is a laboratory thermometer. So the thermometer that measures our body temperature is known as a clinical thermometer. So it is used by the doctors for measuring the temperature of bodies. And this thermometer consists of a long tube which is made of glass, and there is a bulb at one end, and this bulb contains mercury, and outside the bulb you can see a shining thread of mercury, and the range of this thermometer is from 35 to 42 degrees Celsius. You can see that it starts from 35 and it ends at 42 degree Celsius. Okay, 42 degree Celsius. So the range, it is known as a range of this thermometer, is from 35 to 42 degree Celsius. Degree Celsius is the unit of temperature. Nowadays these type of thermometers are also available, which are called digital thermometer. They give you a digital reading of temperature of your body. Next is the laboratory thermometer. So it is used in laboratories to measure the temperature of various things, and it does not contain a king. Now we'll see what is meant by a king. So it can read temperature from -10 degrees Celsius to to 110 degree Celsius, minus 10 to 110 degree Celsius. Okay, this is range of a laboratory thermometer, minus 10 to 110 degree Celsius. It is minus 10 to 110 degree Celsius. Okay, so here there is this is known as the bulb of this thermometer, and here a black thread, you can see this is the thread of mercury. So when it is placed in a hot object, then due to that heat the mercury expands and rises in this thermometer, so we can get the temperature of that object. Okay, so we'll see further in the next videos. Keep learning. Bye.